This is a video guide that will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called CrYptA3. CrYptA3 is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages them essentially. My video, though, is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. However, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this CrYptA3 ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they cannot access their data anymore. The ransomware appends this CrYptA3 extension additionally to the file names. The ransomware also drops the ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently, and we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then after it is successfully installed, start the application and begin researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode. By the way, you may always request for the fully functional free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner free of charge. So, since it is in the trial mode, only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely, the program would first of all update its anti-malware database. And of course, this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the computer. You will then see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer during the scan. Combo Cleaner, once again, I want to emphasize your attention. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data with this anti-ransomware feature, but it does not decrypt the data that has been encrypted by the ransomware. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these CrYptA3 ransomware files. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Consider upgrading to the premium license, which will help you to always protect your data from further ransomware or any other malware attacks. So premium license is what you need for always having your data protected.